State, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Mount Pocono, Sussex County in northwest New Jersey. This includes the city of Newton, northern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Gouldsboro State Park, or 9 miles northwest of Mount Pocono, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. A second possibly severe thunderstorm was just about to enter western Sussex County and was strengthening. The severe thunderstorm will be near Daubenham around 7:15 p.m., Mount Pocono around 7:20 p.m., Manhattan around 7:25 p.m., Paradise Valley, Scutron and Canadensis around 7:30 p.m., Alpine Mountain and Herneyville around 7:35 p.m., and Alamink around 7:40 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's greatest killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren.